Now, before we get on to this nature vlog here, I just want to give you guys some really good news. So, you know I love Smash Boys. What the fuck? Before we get on to this little nature vlog here, I just want to give you guys some good news. So, I'm going to my first live Super Smash 4 tournament at Gamers HQ in Third Lake. It's very exciting, except there's been a lot of confusion what day it was going to be on. I saw this little link where it tells me all the stuff that when, where, and how much is going to be on that tournament. Except there's been a lot of confusion what day it was going to be on. One guy said it was Friday, while the other guy said it was Sunday. And so me and my mom are trying to see what day it's going to be on. If I do go to the weekly tournament, they usually stream it, and so I was hoping to record some of that footage by phone if I'm in it. I hope to post a video about it and tell you guys how I did on it. Now I got that out the way, let's dive into the nature vlog. Oh my gosh, it's hella windy out here. Looks freaking wonderful though. It's never been a while since I connected with nature. Really nice out here. I don't know what that white stuff is in that lake. Yeah, I'm at this forest reserve with my mom's friend. I like how this looks like a cafe right here. Dangerous for little kids, maybe. I'm not sure. But it looks really nice. You can go paddle boating. You can go walking. It's really nice. Got some of my. That almost got one in my eye. It's fishing for dog. How can I do? Okay.
See, it's wood.
Oh wait. Oh, hold on, sorry. A lot of moss.
Don't drop your phone in here.
I won't. I'm holding it tight like it's my baby.
You can see it's walking gravel at the bottom. Come look at the boat.
Okay, now that's a real good boat. Nasty. Oh well, I am the way.
It is wood. Yep, it's wood.
It's wood, yeah, it's wood. This is actually pretty cool, you know. It's really nice.
You prefer the house because the algae, like right there.
Algae?
Hey, why don't you jump down and see how the big guys?
Oh no! No, watch your mom.
Right. Oh, all this.
Huh?
All this.
What all the time?
Wait, look. Oh, wait, look at that. Look at what's in the water. That's awesome.
What do you see?
I see those. You see those little tadpoles? I see little tadpoles.
Yeah.
Little tadpoles in the water.
That's closer right here. It's not. Stop saying no skate.
No, that's really cool. It's like little tadpoles in the water.
I didn't even see them.
That's really cool. They're so cute. No, they're not tadpoles. They're like, I'm not sure what they are.
Zero tadpoles. Those are tadpoles. Those are tadpoles.
Those are like the most.
Those are tadpoles. Those are definitely tadpoles.
Those are little frogs.
Yeah, that's how they start out.
Yeah.
Did you never watch National Geographic? Ooh, shit.
Yeah, careful.
I know you been on.
Oh, look, there's a duck lake. Ducks in there, baby ducks. Oh my god, that's so cute. Let me try to zoom in on that. Oh god, the quality is really terrible.
Look, tadpoles. You never see these when you was a little kid?
Oh, I see little tadpoles in the water. Hold on. Yeah.
Try to suck out like this one too.
Oh, there's a little baby one. They're so cute. Oh, that's like the freaking best.
No, it's not.
When I zoom in, like it's a really terrible quality. Oh, look, there's even more tadpoles. Like they're all over the place over here.
These things
Right there. Right there. You see? You don't see them?
those are minnows.
Minnows?
Baby fish.
You sure?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I
Tadpoles
see.
got that long
Oh, now I see them.
Oh, yeah,
now.
yeah.
Yeah, now I see them. I see like, cause their tails.
When
You can use those for fish.
I was just gonna say when my dad we used to go fishing, we'd go buy a bunch of those, and that's what you use.
Are they coming over here?
Oh, hi, sweetheart.
I didn't even see these until y'all said something.
Yeah, they're really nice.
I got good eyes.
Yay.
The hawk.
Oh, no, that's really cool. The hawk. Oh my god, the sun. Yeah, he's really big. Really nice looking.
You know it'd be cool right now if you went in and grabbed a fish.
Oh yeah, that'd be really cool.
You see that little bird that's chasing them?
Yeah, poor little
That was the
bird.
territorial. That's the one that chased me, the little bird. They territorial.
Poor little big bird.
The little bitty one that's right there?
Yes.
He chased the hawk away. They territorial. That's the one.
Oh no, that's see, now you can see the best of both worlds, Ma. See, when you're up here, you can see the lake, you can see the land, you can see
And
the
he's
beautiful.
proposing.
Yes, it's really cool. Really nice. Yay, it's pretty cool. Drag their body in there. Wow. Hashtag savage. I mean, that could possibly happen, like a murder. Yes, I said hashtag savage.
Coyotes come. What?
Coyotes. Yeah, it's really nice out here too.
It is. It's peaceful.
Or like the little trunk there. The big.
You wanna go sit on there?
Sit in.
Huh?
Yeah. It's recording.
You don't want to go over there and I record you on it? So you can have a picture of you on your blog?
Sure. Like, yeah, hold it.
Right over there.
Wherever you want to go.
I'm gonna blur my face in the video.
Blur your face.
Mm-hmm. Workout pause. Just turn around before you scabies.
Okay. I'm not taking your face.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. She gonna bring blood out anyway. It actually feels good with the shade. Come on.
You ready? Done?
Yep.
Yeah.
Make sure to zoom. I'll put the zoom up a little bit.
Oh no, it makes the video look real terrible. Yeah, there we go. Better. We're almost done. Just tired. A little bit. Just resting under the nice cool tree right here. It's pretty awesome. Two more miles to go, I guess. Maybe, I'm not sure. It looks freaking awesome.
Would you like to go?
Should we go? Oh yeah, there's a little path right there. Okay.
You okay?
Yep, I'm fine. There's a lot of bugs. A lot of wheat and bugs. I'm tired of walking. Yep. Now. A lot of wheat. Oh, flying into my face. I have so much wheat over my body now. So much wheat. So much wheat. I don't know. Yep, I'm okay. Oh no, yeah, those are big babies. Those are big enough over there. Yeah, those ducks are geese. But I know this water is beautiful. Little flowers are oh, I love how the wind is pressing up against it. Oh, that's really cool. Ooh, and those are pretty little flowers over there. White flowers, purple flowers. Nice. Yep.
probably so far since my mom was bugging me. No, see you later. They are going to attack us.
Oh my god, that is a lot of geese.
Oh shit, come on, Ryan.
Okay.
You gotta have a solid front.
A solid.
Walk through these.
Okay.
You walk behind us.
Okay. All right. Protect. Yeah. Like. Let's view me as the little baby, so they don't attack me. They're just eating. Oh, shit. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So they don't have babies, which is pretty good. They'll probably move out the way, maybe. I like how there's one right in the middle. I like how there's one right in the middle just staring at us. God.
Oh, why is he putting his hand up?
Oh God.
That way. Go that way.
Michael.
Come on. That's all. Look, that way. That way. Go. I'm not bothering you to go. Nah, boo-boo.
Oh Jesus. Oh, fresh poop everywhere. Oh, poop everywhere. Well, I'm definitely not gonna wear these Nikes ever again. These Nikes are ruined. Oh, that's pretty little flowers too.
That's like 70 minutes away on cars. No, 70 hours.
Oh no, that's real nice. Mom, we have to go to that fountain. It looks really nice.
We can go back this way to the car anyway.
Hold on, I'm running to it. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking all too much, but I'm just trying to get there. It looks beautiful. Oh no, that looks nice. It looks dirty, but it looks nice. Oh, I love that sound. It sounds so awesome. Look how crispy and clear that water is. Oh, that's so beautiful. That is real pretty.
That sounds so nice.
Well, it sounds like a flag or something like that. Yeah. Flowers and grass. We like that too. Yeah. Nice. Then they have a little beach over there, which is awesome. Yeah, they have a little beach over there, which is pretty cool. There's little boats too, so like people can hang. It's really nice. Yep, me and my mom are about to go and drop my shit. It's really nice and fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, I am about to go. It was nice, enjoying this place. See you guys later. So, yeah, this was just a video of me connecting with nature and my family. So, it's summertime and I wanted to enjoy outdoors since it's been thousands upon thousands of years since I truly got outside of my house. I hope to make more vlogs or videos like about this or like this, mainly about me or other things outside of gaming. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll talk to you guys later.